are honored to welcome our chief guest, Major General Muhammad Kaleem Asif, Hilale Imtiaz Military. Let's give a round of applause. To begin the event on a blessed note, I invite Mr. Muhammad Yasir Khan.
Foundation University School of Science and Technology International Conference on Computer Science and Engineering 2024. Committee are as follows, flashed on the screen. For the conference, Dr. Mohammad Al-Khalidi, Manchester University, Metropolitan, UK, and Professor Dr. Mohammad Shaheen, Dean Engineering IT, FUSS.
Honored to introduce our esteemed keynote speaker, Professor Dr. Mohammad Shaheen, Dean, Faculty of Engineering and IT. Professor Shaheen brings a wealth of expertise in the field of data mining, artificial intelligence, remote sensing, and knowledge-based systems. Today, he will deliver a keynote talk on the topic Wisdom Mining, the future of data mining. Sir, please join us on the stage.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. I'm grateful to Foundation University Islamabad for giving me this opportunity to speak a keynote on the topic of wisdom mining, future of data mining. And you know, this is the buzzword today. Data mining, big data analytics, data science. These are the buzzwords that are used in industry for data analysis. I have used a few terms in this definition. One is implicit, one is huge data sets. A question arises, is it essential for the data set to be huge for data mining? And is it essential for the knowledge to be implicit if we want to apply it? The answer is yes. About implicit knowledge, if the knowledge is explicit in the data sets, we need not to use this technique of data mining because it's complex and costly. Domains of artificial intelligence. Actually, the mother is artificial intelligence. What is the target of artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence actually wants to replicate human intelligence. What is the reason for artificial intelligence to replicate? Constraints when dealing with humans. Human will die one day. Human will retaliate delivering this knowledge to every individual. Human has many limitations. This artificial intelligence have to deal with images. It adopts the shape of image processing. When it has to deal with speech, it adopts the shape of speech recognition. Similarly, when it has to deal with huge data, it adopts the shape of data mining or big data analytics. I would like to explain a bit that how it comes into being, this wisdom mining thing. Actually, I was having a PhD student. Before that, I was doing my own PhD in my university. And I have applied a data mining algorithm on a data set. This data set was related to oil and gas exploration. We were actually applying data mining techniques in order to find whether there is an oil and gas reserve beneath the surface of Earth at this very point or not. So when we applied it, what we came up with, we found a place in Pakistan where we predicted that yes, we are expecting an oil and gas reserve beneath the surface of Earth at this very point. When we actually went there wasn't any oil and gas over there. So actually what we identified was that if there is an ignited rock at some place, there is some pale vegetation at oil and gas reserve. So when we found those three patterns, we predicted that there is an oil and gas reserve over there. But what actually happened? Actually, the vegetation was pale with a coincidence. It was pale because there was a bacteria in that soil. And it was a microbe, it caused that vegetation to get pale. Similarly, there was another pattern in that rock which made it ignited. So our prediction became wrong. So what I thought during my PhD by this observation was, it is the knowledge that we have extracted from data, but we will have to use it wisely. We need wisdom. If we'll not have the wisdom, we'll not be able to use this knowledge in a practical way. So what to do? So this domain came into being. This is wisdom mining. This is a step ahead of data mining. Recently, we have filed a patent on this in Pakistan Patent Office. So I will explain what is this wisdom mining, and I will explain the last part. What are the future trends? To replicate the human physique, it adopts the shape of robotics. When it's go to deal with images, it adopts the shape of computer vision, and so on. When it goes to data, it adopts the shape of data mining. This was past. Next, please. Judgment. To use that knowledge which was extracted from data mining by using state-of-the-art data mining techniques. We need to apply this wisdom, and how to apply, I will show you. I heard a philosopher saying, when the ideology flying on the sky comes to the ground, it changes shape. So the ideology is flying on the sky, the ideology of wisdom. وَمَنْ يُؤْتِ الْحِكْمَةَ يُؤْتِ خَيْرًا كَثِيرًا. Quran says, whoever is blessed with wisdom is blessed with khair kasir, with maximum of the khair. This is the ideology. And how to bring it to the ground? We will have to materialize it in some mathematical form. We'll have to give equations in order to use it. This example over there. Premature births were there, and it was predicted by data mining that if there is a premature birth, it will cause a disease which is called hemangioma. From the domain of philosophy, what are those factors that are the speciality of human, and human use it in his or her intelligence? These are 4 factors that we have identified. I would like to give you a direction that you can go back to literature. You can see, is there any other factor that we can add into these 4? This is a direction of research. We have identified these 4 factors. What are those 4 factors? Next, please. Human intelligence isn't bare, it is context based. It will apply the intelligence in a specific context. This is what we have obtained from psychology and philosophy. These 4 factors to the conventional algorithm of data mining, I expect we will get wisdom. This was the theory that we have discovered. Then my PhD student also worked on to give the first algorithm based on this theory. You can go and read this paper. We have added these 4 factors in the algorithm of association rule mining. Who are aware of the term data mining, they know what is association rule mining. We have added these 4 factors which I have shown you. These are a few insights that we obtained in our first algorithm, and you can see that the F-Meyer precision and recall, all those are higher in the case of Wiz rule. If we compare it with the previous algorithm, previous state-of-the-art algorithms of the domain. We need the algorithm of grouping, we need the algorithm of decision trees, we need the algorithm of pack, we need the algorithm of many more reasoning in this domain of wisdom mining. If you will go through the paper, you will see we have adopted the supplementary approach. What we did, we picked these 4 factors and added into the algorithm. This wasn't the way, but since this was the first attempt, we need to check it in that way. You need to develop an integrative approach, an algorithm that should have all these factors mixed inside it and couldn't be. I am grateful to you for listening with this passion. If you have any question, I'm here. Thank you very much.